Hi Joker friends, today I will unbox my New Year's gift from my best friend in my class, okay? And you could see here that my best friend gave me a bag, and the bag says joy to the world. And it's really beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna start opening it. Baba, which one should I open?
Yeah, that's right. You can see what is inside. So, yeah, so different. You can take out one by one.
Now I'm gonna open it. Oh, there's
You can take it out and show to you. Different.
There's what do you call this? I think like a stocking puppet, or it's like a sock puppet. I'm not sure, but
yeah, I think this is like a sock puppet. See this one?
It's like playable. Oh, it's really soft.
You press it and then it will go down like this. See? I think this is they call a pop socket, something like that.
No, I think it's puppet.
Oh, puppet, yeah, I'm
puppet.
sorry. Puppet, I'm sorry, yeah.
Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, I think this is
What is that? That's like a, looks
really
like a
sure.
hair clip.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think this is like a hair clip. This is for
or maybe you like put it on your head.
Yeah, for something like hair clip for the hair. Right? It's beautiful. Right,
What's the next one? Oh, there's 2 coins inside. So, wait.
Wow.
These might look like chocolate coins, but they're not. They're like toy coins.
This is not chocolate coin, friends. This is only
like a
toy. But they make it like a real coin. Alright?
Oh, over here, it says something. It says over here, I was caught being good.
Oh yeah, see friends? You can see this one. They put a nice quote. I was caught being good. You can see clearly, friends. Amazing coin, this one. Alright? And then what it says here?
It doesn't really say anything, but it's like, it looks really nice.
Oh yeah. This one doesn't say anything, friends. They only like
put like art.
No, they like cover it with the gold. Right? And then what else?
This is like,
what else is that?
fruit candy.
Oh yeah.
This one is connected.
My best friend knows that this is our favorite candy. Fruit candy. I got 4 pieces candy, fruit candy. And then what else?
Crayons.
Oh wow. My best friend knows that I love coloring. That's why she gave us a crayon. Right?
There's also like a pencil.
And pencil. Yeah. She knows that I love writing. See? She's the pencil. I think this is like a emoji.
Just don't look at that.
Yeah. This is like a emoji pencil. See this one? Right?
Is there anything else?
There's nothing else. Only the card left. We're gonna open the card. Wow, it says here Christmas happy. And also Happy New Year. Because she gave it to me on the New Year day. Alright? Okay. I'm gonna tell you what my best friend wrote here. Alright, can you read? Can you?
Do I start? Where do I start?
Yeah.
Over here from dear.
Yes.
It says, Dear Vania, thank you for being friend for so long.
Thank you for
being
friend.
I think she accidentally.
Yeah, friend
for so long. I wish you good days in 2025. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
See? So this is kind of a New Year gift. Alright? Okay, I think that's it. Is anything else? Share to your friend. Nothing, friends. So this is all the gift from my best friend, and say thank you to your friend for watching,
Thank you for watching.
and thank you for always blessing our channel. Bye.